Equitech Group realizes finance alone is not enough. So it has supported insurance, banking, brokerage, investment banking services with a technology platform provided within the group. But more importantly, with a foundation that helps to add on what financial services can't, building capacity in SMEs, bringing and de-risking low-income families and individuals so that they can consume services. We do this by partnering with the development partners, partnering with foundations and NGOs so that we can mainstream that by using the infrastructure of the group so that we can have scale and sustainability. The biggest impact we saw was freeze in liquidity and capital as businesses tried to preserve themselves. But prolonged lockdowns meant that households started consuming the liquidity that was in business because they had been kicked out of business. We realized capital started to get eroded by the losses because they lost income but retained cost because most of the costs are fixed. So that has been a huge challenge. We saw community becoming desperate with uncertainty. And that a little bit we have seen psychosocial challenges within society. We have seen desperation, particularly in terms of need, health care and food. So we devoted $17 million to community response to COVID. And we took 68 public hospitals and committed to provide them together with COVID fund PPEs for a period of 18 months. And I'm glad that we have maintained that from March to date, and we still have resources able to take us through. We've been pleasantly surprised with our experience with Proparco and AFD. The promptness with which they responded to our request for a $100 million facility to enable us to cushion ourselves from the massive loan rescheduling that we did, such that we could not impair liquidity, was very impressive. We realized that it was done in a very timely manner with speed and with a lot of respect for the purpose for which it was applied. And incidentally, as we discussed, we realized how much Proparco has adopted the French government's policy of Choose Africa, which it is really promoting. So we saw alignment of interest. But it's my meeting with the management and staff of Proparco that brought it home, how much we share in terms of culture and values.